Hey everyone, it's Jasmine with Northwest Natura. I'm up in the mountains today making char cloth for some fire kits that are available on my website, northwestnatura.com. These tins are aluminum and they have a hole poked in the top, and they're full of 100% cotton cloth from old t-shirts that my husband cut the sleeves off of. You stick them in the fire and you look at the smoke billowing out of the hole. The smoke indicates that it's charring, and when that stops billowing, it's ready. I'm going to check this one even though I know that it's not all the way done, but I'm going to show you how brown will indicate that you need more time in the fire. So the cloth that's up in the right corner, right here, is not ready, so it's going back in the fire for about 5 more minutes. And this cloth will easily catch a spark. It'll become a glowing ember pretty quickly. The material is highly flammable. And I'm using a cedar bundle to place my ember inside of it, covering it with more cedar, and then gently blowing it so that the ember transfers heat and flame to the cedar itself. It's important to keep an eye on where your ember is and just make sure that it's going to be touching some of the most stringy, fibrous bits of your tinder nest. If you're into bushcrafting and you want to see more of this kind of stuff, we do have an Instagram and a TikTok. The handle for both is @pinedrop_sisters.